Faraday second law. When same amount of electricity is passed is passed through is passed through different different electrolytes, the amount of substances deposited on the electrodes are proportional
When same amount of electricity is passed through different electrolytes, the amount of substances deposited on the electrodes are proportional to their equivalent weights. अब यो फिगर बनाओ तिमीहरू.
टिप चढ़ जाए।
तिमीहरू कपी गर 5 मिनटको टाइममा दिँदैछु त्यसपछि म एक्सप्लेन गर्छु ठीक छ नि
5 मिनट छ। When same amount of electricity is passed through different electrolytes, the amount of substances deposited on the electrodes are proportional to their equivalent weights. When same amount of electricity is passed through different electrolytes, the amount of substance deposited on the electrodes are proportional to their equivalent weights. When same amount of electricity is passed through different electrolytes, the amount of substances deposited on the electrodes are proportional to their equivalent weights.
मलाई लाग्छ अब सबैको भइसकेको होला। अब म एक्सप्लेन गर्दैछु। हेर, जुन भाँडामा हामी इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस गर्छौं, that vessel is known as voltmeter. याद राख्ने, there is a difference between voltmeter and voltmeter. Voltmeter is used in electricity to measure the potential difference of current. A voltmeter is a vessel. These are the vessel in which electrolysis is carried out. ठीक छ नि? तो यो हो difference between voltmeter and voltmeter. अब यो यसलाई हामी कपर भोल्टामिटर भन्छौं किनकि यसमा कपर सल्फेट सल्युसन छ। यसलाई हामी सिल्भर भोल्टामिटर भन्छौं because it contains silver nitrate solution, and this is known as water voltmeter because it contains acidic water. अब यो तीनवटा भोल्टामिटर सिरिजमा कनेक्ट गरेको, ठीक छ नि? यसको पोजिटिभ यसको नेगेटिभ सित, यसको पोजिटिभ यसको नेगेटिभ सित, they are connected in series. The जुन current यसबाट पास हुन्छ, same current will pass through this and same amount of current will pass through this. ठीक छ नि? तो can I say the same amount of current is passing through different electrolytes, copper sulfate, silver nitrate and acidic water? अब यो नियम के भन्छ? When same amount of electricity is passed through different electrolytes, the amount of substances deposited on the electrodes are proportional to their chemical equivalent. So when copper, silver and water voltmeters are connected in series containing electrolytes this and this, the same amount is passing. Let W1 gram copper is deposited here, W2 gram silver is deposited, W3 gram hydrogen is deposited. If their equivalent weight is E1, E2 and E3, the नियम के भन्छ कि W1 proportional to E1, W2 proportional to E2 and W3 proportional to E3. अब can I say W1 is equal to KE1 where K is a constant, and W2 is equal to KE2 where K is another constant, है ना? तो जब तिमी डिवाइड गर्छौ, when equation 1 is divided by 2, the W1 by W2 is equal to KE1 by KE2, the K cancel भयो, आयो कति? E1 by E2. Similarly, when you divide 2 by 3, W2 by W3 is equal to E2 by E3. Again I am repeating, these are the three voltmeters connected in series. This is called copper voltmeter, this is silver voltmeter, this is water voltmeter. This contains copper sulfate solution, this contains silver nitrate solution, this contains acidic water. Therefore, same amount of electricity will pass through electrolytes this and this. त्यही मैले लेखेको, let copper, silver and water voltmeters are connected in series. Therefore, same amount of electricity will pass through the different electrolytes, copper sulfate, silver nitrate and acidic water. Let W1, W2 and W3 are the amount of copper, silver and hydrogen deposited on cathodes, and E1, E2 and E3 are their equivalent weights respectively. Then according to the law, W1 proportional to E1, W2 proportional to
E2,
E2, W3 proportional to E3. So when you will divide 1 by 2, so W1 by W2 is equal to E1 by E2. Similarly, dividing 2 by 3, what we get? W2 by W3 is equal to E2 by E3. So this is all about your Faraday's second law. अब इसमें what is Faraday?
it is the amount of electricity. And is the amount of electricity. It is the amount of electricity required to deposit. It is the it is the amount of electricity required to deposit.
It is the amount of electricity required to deposit or dissolve 1 gram equivalent weight of a substance. It is a constant quantity and its value stands 96,500 coulombs. अब पहले बुझना को प्रयास करना है. You will get time to copy it. पहले equivalent weight क्यों हो? Equivalent weight को फार्मूला हुन्छ atomic weight divided by valency. अब जस्तो equivalent weight of sodium, त्यसको atomic weight हो 23, valency 1, the equivalent weight पनि यसको कति भयो 23. अब when equivalent weight of a substance is expressed in gram, it is called 1 gram equivalent weight of the substance. When equivalent weight of a substance is expressed in gram, it is called 1 gram equivalent weight of the substance. The equivalent weight of sodium कति आयो 23 है ना, अर्थात सोडियम को एटॉमिक वेट और इक्विवेलेंट वेट बोथ आर सेम. तो 23 ग्राम सोडियम लाई 23 ग्राम of sodium like one 1 gram equivalent weight of sodium. 1 gram equivalent weight of sodium. This the equivalent weight of calcium. इसको एटॉमिक वेट हो 40, वैलेंसी 2, कति आयो 20 हैन। तो 20 ग्राम of calcium लाई के भन्ने त 1 gram equivalent weight of calcium. 1 gram equivalent weight of calcium. What is the equivalent weight of copper? What is the atomic weight? 63.5. What is the valency of copper? 2. The 31.75. The 31.75 gram of copper like के भन्ने 1 gram equivalent weight of copper. ठीक छ नि। अब यता हेर, पहिले बुझिहाल यो, एकछिन पछि कपी गर्ने। यो कपर सल्फेट को सल्युसन हो। करेन्ट पास गर्छौ त यो कपर कतातिर जान्छ? क्याथोड तिर। क्याथोड मा इलेक्ट्रोन लिएर केमा चेन्ज भयो? कपर मेटल मा। एउटा कपर भनेपछि कति? 63.5. तर व्हाट इज द इक्विवेलेंट वेट अफ कपर? 31.75. तो यो 31.75 ग्राम लाई के भन्ने 1 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट वेट अफ कपर। यति कपर लाई डिपोजिट पार्नको लागि तिमीलाई कति बिजुली चाहियो?
96.
How much electricity you need? The 96,500 coulombs. So it is the amount of electricity required to deposit अथवा dissolve 1 gram equivalent weight of a substance. So 1 gram equivalent weight of copper is how much? 31.75. And in order to deposit this much amount of copper at cathode, what amount of electricity is required? This much amount of coulombs, 96,500 coulombs. SLI we call it 1 faraday. So what is faraday? It is the amount of electricity required to deposit or dissolve 1 gram equivalent weight of a substance. Just say, if you want to deposit 23 gram of sodium, the 23 gram of sodium is, what is the equivalent weight? 23. The 23 means 1 gram equivalent weight of sodium. This thing, similarly, if you take sodium chloride, your ठाउँमा, so sodium will goes to cathode 23 gram. The 23 gram sodium लाई पनि deposit पार्नको लागि कति चाहियो? 80. What is the equivalent weight of calcium? 20. The 20 gram calcium लाई deposit पार्नको लागि पनि यति नै चाहियो. So this is the Faraday. Note it down.
fossils, unchanged or entire whole body fossils are rare.
The students